Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a crispy, flaky and super tasty snack, veg puffs, perfect for a tea time or evening munchies. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 1 cup of flour, add 1 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon baking powder. Mix well. Then add 1/3 cup of water to make a soft dough. Did you know veg puff is one of the most loved bakery snacks across South Asia? Street vendors often sell them with a side of chutney or tomato ketchup. Rub a little oil over the dough and keep it aside to rest. Now for the stuffing. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 2 cloves chopped garlic, 2 tablespoon onion and 1 green chilli. Next add 2 tablespoons each of carrot, capsicum, corn, green peas and long beans. Add 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce, 2 teaspoons red chili sauce and 2 teaspoons tomato sauce. Season with half teaspoon red chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon mixed herb. Mix everything well and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook the veggies. A little crunch adds great texture. Keep it colorful and crunchy. Let the mixture cool completely. Then mix in 3 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese. These will give it a creamy, cheesy touch. You can customize the filling, try paneer, tofu or even leftover sabji. Take a portion of the dough and roll it out. This recipe is packed with colorful veggies, full of fiber and nutrients. Whole veggies help you feel fuller. Make this a satisfying snack. Trim the edges to neaten it and cut it into halves. Spoon some veggie filling on one half and cover it with the other. Make sure the stuffing is completely cool before sealing into the dough. Seal the edges gently with a fork. Looks neat and holds the stuffing well. The flaky crust is inspired by traditional French puff pastry. Heat some oil on medium heat. Fry the puffs until golden and crisp on both sides. Fry on medium heat for even crispness without burning the outer layer. Homemade version means less preservatives and better ingredients. You can bake instead of fry for a healthier version. And that's it. Your homemade veg puffs are ready to serve. Crispy outside, cheesy and spiced inside. Is this veg puff recipe made you hungry? Let us know in the comments. Try it at home. We would love to see your pictures. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies. We will be back with another easy and yummy recipe soon. Until then, take care and happy cooking.